अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मेरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मेरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुला।
Do everything you have to do, but not with greed, not with ego, not with lust, not with envy, but with love, composition, humility and devotion. May Lord Krishna fill all your attention and worries on this Janmashtami and give you all the love, grace and happiness. Happy Janmashtami to all. What do you got that you cry? What do you produce? Which is the sweat? Whatever is there, you received from here. Whatever you will give, will stay here. Love is consistent, passion to give, note me persistent, hope to receive. Happy Janmashtami to all. Believe in yourself and to do your karma. Success will follow you automatically. Doing karma is in our hands only. Result is not in our hands. Today we are celebrating Lord Krishna's birthday. Helps in awakening our spirit and to remind us of His presence always. Happy Janmashtami to all. Lord Krishna is a powerful God. Koushiki Dasgupta, student of Jyotirmoy Public School, Class 2. Lord Krishna is the Almighty. He liked to play flute. Flute is a traditional musical instrument in Indian culture. It is made of bamboo. Lord Krishna could create very melodious music by flute. His music creates influence over all people and nature also. All cows of Vrindavan like hear his music. Thank you. I am Shreshtanshu Chakraborty, Class 2, Jyotirmoy Public School. I have dressed up like Lord Krishna. I am describing about the divine flute of Lord Krishna, which is also called as Masuri or Mullu. We can see the picture of Lord Krishna mainly holding the flute or playing the instrument. The god of love plays the instrument usually to hypnotize all his cattle. The instrument was also used to motivate adorable gopis, followers and devotees of Lord Krishna. The enchanting sounds of the divine instrument always gives us an eternal peace of our mind. Thank you. My name is Satya Aman. My school name is Jyotirmoy Public School. I read in Class 2, Section A. A short paragraph. 1. The flute and Lord Krishna. The Indian flute is made with bamboo. Flute had 8 holes. Lord Krishna chose the flute as his musical instrument. Krishna plays the flute as beloved cows stand with their ears, and gopis lose their selves in this tune. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি স্বর্ণাভ বিশ্বাস, ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণী বিভাগ গ। চিকন গোয়ালিনী রসের বিনোদিনী, এই রূপ জৈবন তোমার, এই রূপ জৈবন তোমার, জোয়ারের পানি। চিকন গোয়ালিনী, চিকন গোয়ালিনী, নীতি নীতি জাগরে আমারে বাড়াইয়া, আজি খেয়ার করি লইব, আজি খেয়ার করি লইব, নৌকাতে বসাইয়া রে। চিকন গোয়ালিনী, চিকন গোয়ালিনী। ধন্যবাদ।
गोपिया तारे है, चांद है राधा, फिर क्यों है उसको विश्वास आधा। गोपिया मानी जानी है, राधा तो मन की रानी है, साझ सखाए जमुना किनारे, राधा राधा ही करा पुकारे। इसलिए राधा चले
जाग न सोई, प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोई, प्यार के धुन में जाग न सोई। दुनिया से भी वो अनजाने, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी। कृष्णा से मिलती है फूल की हर बंधन, ओ कृष्णा की माला ही जपते हैं रोजन। नैनों में सांसों में मन में कृष्णा, हर पल जीवन में जिसके कृष्णा उड़ाता है, उड़ाता है, उड़ाता है, उड़ाता है। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, I'm Srijan Askar from class 8B and today I'm going to say you about Janmashtami. Janmashtami marks the birthday of Lord Krishna, 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, which is a very famous festival celebrated by the Hindu devotees throughout India with great pomp and fervor. And this, according to many legends, was started by the foster mother of Lord Krishna, Mother Yashoda. Since Lord Krishna was born at midnight in Mathura, the devotees usually observe a waterless fast and they sing devotional songs once the clock strikes 12 on Janmashtami. Then they break their fast by distributing sweets and foods amongst all. According to Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna was born to end the predominance of evilness and the growth of adharma and establish dharma and love amongst all. And this festival marks that itself to spread love and harmony amongst all and to end this evilness amongst us. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shiron Sardar of class 8A of Jyotirmay Public School and today I am going to talk about Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami, also known simply as Janmashtami or Gokulashtami, is celebrated every year as the birth of Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu, on the month of Bhadrapada. Krishna was born when evils were everywhere and freedoms were denied and when there was a threat to his life by King Kansa. So his father Vasudeva takes Krishna to his foster parents in Gokul named Nanda and Yashoda. This legend is celebrated every year by people keeping fast, singing songs and keeping vigil into the night, and it is one of the most popular festival of Hindus which is celebrated for showing devotion to Lord Krishna. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti Dash of class 8B from Jyotirmay Public School. Krishna Janmashtami, also known as simply Janmashtami or Gokulashtami, is an annual Hindu festival which is specially celebrated in North India. The birth of Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu. It is believed that Lord Krishna was born around 3228 BC and it is mentioned in the Purans that Lord Krishna was born in Rohini Nakshatra on the 8th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Bhadrapada. Lord Krishna was born in prison and his father Vasudeva kept Krishna away to his friend Nandalal at Vrindavan. Nandalal and his wife Yashoda took care of Krishna as their son. After a few years, Krishna killed his maternal uncle Kamsa to rescue his father Vasudeva and mother Devaki. People celebrate this festival with lots of joy and happiness. This festival is celebrated at midnight because Lord Krishna was born in Jat. At midnight, puja is done and people who fasted the whole day break their fast by eating the prasad. Devotees also participate in the Dahidanda celebrations as Lord Krishna loved to eat makhan and he is also regarded as Makhan Chor. So, Janmashtami is a festival that brings love and spreads happiness. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Arnav Basu, class 11, section B. My offerings to Lord Krishna. Krishna Janmashtami, also commonly known as Janmashtami, is an annual Hindu festival which celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Hindu god Vishnu. Today I have prepared my own offering to offer the Lord himself. As you can see, all these traditional earthenware I have used to decorate my entire offering. As to why I have used earthenware, because in earlier times people used to make earthen pottery, and they used to offer foods in the Lord, which is why I have chosen earthen plate, earthen bowl, and an earthen glass to offer water to my Lord. And the sweets are narkel laddu, kheer, malpua, motichur laddu, and chandrakut. As to why I have chosen these sweets, because these sweets are Lord Krishna's own personal favorite. So I have chosen these specific sweets and this specific earthenware in order to give it to my Lord.
Namaskar from class 11, section Bioscience, and I will be showing how I decorate the sweet of Janmashtami as an offering to Lord Krishna and what is its importance on this occasion. This is a dahi handi, and for decorating this dish, it will require cashew, kishmish, cherry, and a tulsi leaf. Dahi handi is a very important sweet dish for Lord Krishna. Dahi handi comprises of two walls. Dahi meaning the condensed curd, and handi is the clay pot. Mata Yashoda used to make dahi and used to hang it from the ceiling using ropes, but little Krishna was unable to reach it because of its height. Therefore, he used to gather all his friends in Vrindavan to help him create a human pyramid that could reach the height, get the dahi handi, and meet all his cravings. Even till today, on the occasion of Janmashtami, people form human pyramids and celebrate the dahi handi festival. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Anushmita Karmakar from Jyotirmay Public School. Today I am going to present one CCA activity regarding the decoration of sweets in the Janmashtami festival. This is rabri, this is malpua, and as we all know that these are the most favorite sweet items of Lord Krishna. Thank you.